Top 10 Basic Needs of Your Husband. Hi, friends. Welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video will be dealing with the 10 basic needs of your husband. Most of you never really understand what your husband expects from you, as he's rather closed and tight-lipped about his male needs. You often wonder why your husband cannot be more open about his feelings and emotions. You also feel let down when your husband behaves aloof with you. You're angry when your husband spends his time doing his own thing without a worry in the world. Naturally, you stamp your husband as a self-centered person who's concentrated more on his own comfort level. And you wonder why your husband often behaves in a peevish manner with you. And you're also alarmed by his resentful silence. You would give anything to penetrate the impregnable silence of your husband. Well, the silence of your husband has a message in it. His silence speaks volumes about the anger and disappointment he feels because you do not understand what he expects from you. Do not worry. If you peep into the basic needs of your husband, you will know what he wants from you. The number one basic need of your husband is no nagging. As a man, your husband is basically egoistic. You often bruise the ego of your husband by nagging him threadbare about his laziness, irresponsibility, and negligence. If there's one thing your husband hates about you, it is your nagging. Your husband feels jumpy and edgy when you raise your voice to its highest pitch and tell him what to do and what not to do. When you're nagging, your husband closes his ears and becomes tight-lipped. Your husband wants you to be soft-spoken and reasonable without the propensity to nag. The number two basic need of your husband is no comparison. Your husband hates you when you compare him with your more successful colleagues or friends. You often feel that your husband is not living up to your expectations. You want your husband to be as successful as others. So, you compare your husband with your friends or colleagues, thinking that it will prod him to do better in his life. But your husband thinks otherwise. Your comparison makes your husband resent your insensitive attitude. Your husband wants you to be encouraging and not comparing. The number three basic need of your husband is agreeing to his suggestions. As a wife, you feel only you know what is good for your family. So you decide what should be done to handle family issues and problems. When your husband comes forth with his own ideas to solve the family issues that has cropped up, you arbitrarily refuse to listen to him. You make the ego of your husband crushed, overlooked, and disrespected. Your husband wants you to agree to his suggestions once in a while. When you agree to the suggestions of your husband, he feels he too is contributing towards the well-being of the family. The number four basic need of your husband is emotional support. Your husband does not have your mental strength. He may be physically stronger than you, but mentally he is weaker. Your husband easily chips under family pressures. He feels tense by his work-related problems. He is all at sea when there are financial issues in your family. When such problems creep into your family life, your husband looks up to you for emotional support. When you give your husband the emotional support he needs, he feels protected and sheltered by you. The number five basic need of your husband is friendly companionship. As a woman, you're always worried about your family. So you have the tendency to become emotionally charged. When your husband keeps silent about family issues, he spurts out in anger at his irresponsibility. Your accusing attitude makes your husband very tense and highly strung up. Your husband wants you to spend fun moments with him. He likes you when you laugh with him. He adores you when you show interest in his hobbies. Is enamored with you when you are not cribbing and complaining. Your husband is fascinated by you when you discuss his interests with him. Yes, your husband wants a friend in you. The number six basic need of your husband is sexual fulfillment. As a man, your husband is a physical animal. He loves you when you satisfy his sexual needs. When you withhold sex to show your anger against your husband, he becomes resentful and angry. But when you make sex enjoyable to your husband, he easily becomes pliable and flexible towards you. Your husband feels relaxed and comfortable with you when you satisfy his physical needs. The number 7 basic need of your husband is admiration. Your husband wants you to appreciate him. Appreciation makes your husband feel that he is respected and valued by you. Your husband wants you to appreciate his ability. When you downgrade his capacity to succeed, your husband is demoralized. When you compare your husband negatively with others, his morale is shattered. When you overlook the contribution of your husband towards the family, he feels emotionally upset. When you nag your husband about his irresponsibility, he feels depressed and dejected. But when you appreciate him, he wants to be a better husband. The number 8 basic need of your husband is personal space. Your husband needs his own me time. When you want your husband to be at your beck and call 24/7, he feels bored and resentful. When you allow your husband to enjoy his favorite sports without yelling at him that he's having it too good, he likes you for it. When you allow your husband bachelor's outing with his friends now and then, he feels comfortable living with you. When you allow your husband to enjoy his solitude without nagging about it, he feels he has married the best girl in the world. The number 9 basic need of your husband is straightforward communication. You often do not tell your husband directly what you want from him. You go roundabout the way, indirectly implying that your husband is not living up to your expectations. Your husband does not have the capacity to read the in-between messages in your conversation. Your husband wants you to be straightforward with him. He does not want you to meander about without coming to the point. The number 10 basic need of your husband is your happiness. Are you surprised that one of the basic needs of your husband is your happiness? Do not be. When you're happy, your husband is satisfied that he is the reason behind your happiness. It makes him feel fulfilled that he has been a good husband and a good father. This is the reason your husband is all keyed up when you're cribbing and emotional. It makes him feel that he is not a good enough husband. Realize one simple fact about your husband. For you, your family is your whole life. This is your womanly nature. To your husband, family is just part of his life. This is his manly nature. The male world of your husband is very different from yours. So, understand your husband from his male point of view. This is the only way you can fulfill the basic needs of your husband. Did this video make you understand the basic needs of your husband? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship building videos. Make until death do us part your relationship goal.